Hi everybody! On this video, I am going to teach you how to make dot connector on Scratch. At the end of this video, you are going to be able to make a project just like this one. Let's get started. So before we start the project, these are the sprites. There are the dots, the finish button, the connector, and the color sprites. So the color sprites will allow us to choose the color of the pen. The connector will connect all dots together. The finish sprite will finish the project, and the dots will allow us to make a certain object in the screen. I guess that's all the sprites. So the first step of making this game is coding the dots. So as we see here, there are 5 dots. We are going to code them one by one. Add a when green flag is clicked block. Go to looks and add a show block. After that, add a motion block. Add the position of the sprite. For dot 1, the position is x negative 80 and y 80. So, go to dot 2, add a position block, go to x 100 and y 80. Go to events when green flag is clicked block. Don't forget to add a show block. We are going to do the same thing to all the other dots. So after coding the first step of the dots, go back to dot 1 and then go to events. When this sprite is clicked, go to sensing and add a set drag mode to draggable. Put it in all of the dots. Okay, go to dot 2, just clean up blocks. Okay, let's test it. Green flag is clicked. I'm going to drag it anywhere. And if we press green flag again, it will automatically go to the position that is coded in here. Okay, I guess that is step 1. The next step is making the finish button and the connector. So first go to the finish button and then go to events and add a when green flag is clicked block. And then it will show, and it will also erase all, just to make sure that it will erase all the drawing that is in the screen. And then when the sprite is clicked, oh yeah, don't forget to add a position block. For the finish button, it will go to x 160 and y negative 140. And when the sprite is clicked, it will hide. So add a hide block, and it will also broadcast new message, and it's called finish. Okay, like that. So let's give it a test. Click on the green flag. As we can see, the dots will go to its position, but every time we are hovering on the finish button, the finish button doesn't show any differences. So go to controls, add a forever block. If touching mouse pointer, it will set size into 80, and if it's not touching the mouse pointer, it will set size into 75. Also, don't forget to add a set size to 75 block above under the when green flag is clicked block, like that. So go to the connector and then add a when green flag is clicked block. It will show, and then add a erase all block, and then when I receive finish, go to dot 1, and then go to pen again, pen up, make sure pen up, and then set pen color to black, and then set pen size into 20. After that, add a pen down block, and then add a glide 1 second to dot 2, and then glide 1 second to dot 3. Also glide 1 second to dot 4, and last glide 1 second to dot 5. Go to pen again and pen up. Let's test it. Click on the green flag. I'm going to put number 1 here, number 2 here, number 3 here, number 4 here, and number 5 here. Okay, I'm going to finish. Now, as you can see that when I click on the finish sprite, the dots are still here. So go to dots, and when I receive finish, it will hide. Put it in dot 2 and all the other dots. Okay, let's test it again. Put it here. I'm going to finish, and it works perfectly. I guess that is all how you make the dots, the finish button, and the connector. Okay. So as we can see that the pen only has one color, so I wanted to add more colors to the pen. To do that, first go to the connector. I'm going to clean the screen first, stop again. So go to connector and delete the set pen color to black block, and then go to black sprite, and then when green flag is clicked, go to X 50 and Y negative 140, and then show, and then when this sprite is clicked, make a new variable, and it's called color. It will set color to black, and then also when I receive finish, it will hide. We are going to do the same thing to all the color sprites. Just drag the when I receive finish block into all the color sprites, and then go to the red sprite, add a show block and a position block, go to X negative 20 and Y negative 140, and then when I receive finish, it will also hide. Then don't forget to add a when green flag is clicked block over here. Go to, oh yeah, I already add this one, sorry. When this sprite is clicked, it will set color to red. Okay, now go to blue sprite, set color to blue. When this sprite is clicked, it will set color to blue. And when green flag is clicked, it will go to -90 and Y -140. Okay, like that, and also show. And then go to green sprite, add a show block. When green flag is clicked, it will go to X -160 and Y -140, and it will also show. And when this sprite is clicked, it will set color to green. Now go back to the connector, add a forever block under the when green flag is clicked block, like that. Oh yeah, don't forget to add set color to black block, and then add an if then block. If the variable color equals black, it will set pen color to, just pick on that image, this image, and then duplicate this code. If color equals red, it will set pen color to red. Put it inside the forever loop, duplicate this code. Okay, if color equals blue, it will set pen color to blue. Okay, if color equals green, it will set pen color into green. Just put this code inside the forever block, and let's test it. I'm just going to hide the color variable, full screen, and let's test it. Okay, I'm pressing on the green flag, put number 1 here, put number 2 here, put number 3 here, and number 4 here, and number 5 here. Okay, let's finish. It works perfectly. Again, this time I'm going to use pen color green. I'm going to put number 5 here, number 3 here, here, and number 4 here. Just put it randomly, and it works perfectly. Okay, I guess that is all how you make the dot connector game on Scratch. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.